वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो। बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है, वो उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस अपडेट एंड फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग, पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए। द प्लाइट ऑफ द बैंक पेंशनर्स। सो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट कन्वर्सेशन है, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है बाय श्री गिरीश आर्या जी, नेशनल सेक्रेटरी एंड इंचार्ज फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर, भारतीय मजदूर संघ BMS, न्यू दिल्ली। आदरणीय आर्य जी, नमस्कार। Regarding the bank pensioners plight, yesterday 27th of Feb 25 evening our conversation with you on the phone regarding the main issue of the revision was pension revision was very encouraging. So there is enough to take the situation with positivity. So we agree with you that pensioners need to initiative on the issues. So after years of frozen conditions added with negative attitude of the management, some positive results have surfaced. Decisions like 30% family pension, increased in ex-gratia amount of pre-1986 retirees, 100% DA since hanging in the balance over years. Pension option to resign are the results of your continuous endeavors. The small relief of ex-gratia amount was given to reduce the resentment prevailing among pensioners to some extent as an immediate remedy. The agreement states that ex-gratia is without prejudice to pension updation demand. The agreement states that ex-gratia is without prejudice to pension updation demand. Obviously, if the pension updation issue had not been sub judice, the agreement of pension. So major working unions never had any interest on initiative in all the above cases. So from the 7th to 12th BS, major unions have entered into agreement with the IBA which adversely impacted. Through a joint note of 25th of May 2015, the IBA and the unions created a serious controversial situation that bank pensioners have no contractual relationships with their respective banks. So this was a figure on the existence of the pensioners and it has no relevance with reality. So banks are not a charitable or religious institutions which are giving thousands. So ex-gratia agreement confirms that it's not pension alone, but if needed, be other steps like ex-gratia can be taken to protect the interest of pensioners. So if there was no contractual relationship and pensioners were not part of parcel of bilateral settlement, how did negative changes have been made from 7th to 12th PS? So on factual basis, it is undisputed that salary and pension are inseparable two sides of same coins, and from where the bank pension scheme has been taken, there is provision in both to revise pension with wage revisions. So for example, central government pay and pension is being revised together in RBI and Word. Two, it is being done simultaneously. The Reserve Bank of India pension scheme is cornerstone of the bank pension scheme. So we are not saying this. IBA reiterated this in its meeting with the unions on 10/11/1997. Agreed agreed to 29th October 1993 that all terms and conditions including pension updation will be on the RBA line. So pension revision is bound with wage revision and it has been ensured while implementing pension scheme in banks. So that is pension revision has been done with wage revision. So the fifth BPS settlement implemented from 1st November 1987, thus under clause 35(1) of BEPR has been done with revision. So the fifth BS implemented from 1st November 1987, thus under clause 35(1) of BEPR 1995, pension from 1st January 1986 to 31st October 1987 was updated. So the Honorable Finance Minister spoke in her interview of the business line regarding bank pensioners, and further, while addressing the 73rd AGM of IBA, she spoke much more keeping in view the overall genuine issues of pensioners. Now it is different that the world of honorable finance ministers are not being honored. However, there is no adverse indication from the Honorable Prime Minister's side on her statement about pensioners. So, as far as positivity is concerned, despite the artificial excuse of IBA major unions, a decision can be seen to pay ex-gratia amount and talk about inserting periodic pension updation provisions in pension regulations. So in case of pensioners, the ex-gratia is a out-of-box decision, and this decision is not of IBA and unions. So there is no provision like ex-gratia in pension regulations, but now it is there and is not. So pension revision is now a residual issue of COD related to 12th BS, so which could not be settled on superficial excuses of being subsidized. And ex gratia is an ad hoc, right? So pension updation is to be done on RBL line. So this is an envisaged in a pension agreement dated 29th October 1993 and reiterated in small committee meeting of 26 March 1994. So it's committed and admitted stand. So RBI pension scheme is the cornerstone of bank pension scheme as reiterated in meeting of 10/11/1997. So FM's keynote speech in IBA AGM can't be termed as her personal speech. So as finance minister, she addressed the IBA AGM where all chief executives of banks were present. So her statement is the official statement of Honorable FM Government of India. So and 12th BS 9th joint note could be reached in shortest possible time due to BMS initiative. So we thank you for your all out sports and all out efforts in pensioners matter. So we look forward your similar endeavors. We are quite confident of amicable settlement of the pension revision issue at the earliest.